Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Financiable. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to create account on forex.com. To get started, let's open browser and here search forex.com. It will open forex.com website. Here scroll down until you find open an account. So here you'll get the option to open a spread account. In this way you'll get various options. So for now, let's click on open an account. Scroll down and now you'll see open an account option again. Tap on it. It will navigate you to this interface. Here you can create any forex.com account as you required. So here you will get the many options to create an account as you required. You can create a standard account, raw spread account, etc. So this is the form. Here you need to fill up your details and save and continue. So in this way you can create forex.com account. So that wraps for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.